Welcome to Budding Investor. In this video, we'll see about a detailed analysis of Balaxi Ventures Limited. There's no doubt to say that this is a multi-bagger stock because in past 6 months, the stock has been raising around 473%. We recommended the stock at 125. I made that video in Tamil language. If you're familiar with Tamil language means, you can check out those videos or else you can just see that video pictures. Okay, let us go to the content. This company is mainly in the business of wholesale distribution of pharmaceutical products, welder hardwares, and FMCG products, that is food products. Uh, they are involved in this business, was basically a company which was doing a business in rubber industry. It has been in 1984 itself this company was formed, and later in 2018 the Balaxi Ventures group has been take over that company, and they have been involved in this international wholesale distribution of pharmaceutical products, builder hardware, and FMCG products. Okay. If you look at the financial year 2020, the main profit of this company is from Pharma segment, that is 28.71 crore, and FMCG segment is 14.52 crore, and builder hardware segment is 2.40 crore. During this lockdown, the international export has been very difficult due to the lockdown all over the world. So builder hardware segment must be compromised during this lockdown. But pharma segment is a main business for this company, and it involves around a 73 percentage of the company revenue from the pharma sector itself. So during the corona, the situation was very much favorable for this company, so they generated very much high revenue, and the share price was shooting to the top. The If you see about the holdings of this company, they are 73% is from the promoters, and 19% from the financial institution, and non-institutional investors, that is like us, is 8%. The point you should note about this is, if a promoter holding is much, means the promoters, that is the owner of this company, are very much confident about the business they are doing, so they are having too much of holdings in this company, and the market cap of this company is around 487, and the return on equity for 1 year, that is this year, is 41.10%, and P ratio for the company is at 47.89. When we recommended the stock at 125, the P ratio was around 10.2, I think so. If you see the stock, like I said, in past 1 month it has been risen around 70.57, and in past 6 months it has been risen around 494.36. If you look at the second chart, there is a dip around in the mid of August. That time most of them said that it is gonna fall like anything, it's gonna go back to hundreds level, but I have posted a video on that this is a temporary dip. So if you are gonna invest, please invest. I have recommended that. If anyone watched the Tamil video and invested, means I feel very happy for them. uh, you may see another dip in the mid of September, that is 15th, after 15th to 20th. In the mid of 15th to 20th, you may see another dip. So there you may get a chance to invest in this company. But now if you're gonna buy the stock, means it's very difficult, because in past 1 month after this dip, it was been trading at upper circuit. You can't even buy a one stock, because if you place on some aftermarket order, means you may get some chance to buy the stock. If you're gonna take much risk, means you can buy the stock now, or else you can see the next quarter results also and then buy the stock. Okay. Let me describe about the reason why the stock is rallying. Okay, because the first reason is a strong financial trend, and return on equity is for past 3 years is 37.96%. You can't see a return on equity for some other stocks like this, because this is a stock which has been for past 3 years it has been 37.96%, and outstanding quarterly result. Like I said, in pharma sector alone, they have been seen a profit of 29.7 crores, being a 486 crore market cap. They saw 29.86 crores in pharma sector itself. The net sales has been increased by 156% on year basis, and operating profits were improved at 339%. The company has been delivering the good profit growth of 130.45% over the last 5 years. That is a compounded annual growth rate is 130.45%. The standalone net profit is increased by 357%, while the operating profit margin stood at 9.47%. This company is basically a debt free company, so it's a big advantage for this company because they don't have much expense, because they have been dealing with the wholesale business, that too for export business. But this company is not being giving any dividend to the shareholders of this company, because they have been reinvesting in the company due to uh, very big opportunity that this company can earn much more. So they have been not giving a dividend. You can expect a give it dividend and next year, I think so. Okay, if you want to take risk by investing in this company, it's up to you. But right now I can't say that you should invest in this company, because it's been overvalued at our current situation. But if this result is continuing in the next quarter also, means this is a very undervalued stock at my point of view. So if you're gonna take risk, you can invest this in the stock. But if you're not a much risk taker, or if you're a low risk taker, means you should see for next quarter result and then invest for this company. Thank you for watching this video. Happy investing and safe investing. Thank you.